The steam opens up the pores really good. Very relaxing essential oil inside of the facial steamer. I just removed the charcoal. My skin is almost a different complexion after doing a facial on it. It's glowing. Remove dirt. See that? That came from my face. I recommend a men's beard treatment and facial for men, women, athletes, business professionals, entrepreneurs, anybody professional who's in front of a camera or who's in front of the general public. Get a facial, fellas get a beard treatment, and ladies get the luxury spa services. Luxury spa services, okay? There's a $50 special for you to get a facial, to get your 10-minute foot massage, and the facial steam to rejuvenate your skin and snap it back. My skin is vibrant, no bumps, no blemishes, nice and smooth. And fellas, get you a beard treatment. When you get that razor on your face and your beard shaped up, get some exfoliation on your skin in your beard area on your face. All right. Stylist John, I can get you fly. www.stylistjohn.com. I can get you fly. Whatever the cut, whatever the style, whatever the braids.